Shalom, Shalom Israel partners, and welcome. Welcome to our weekly report, Shabbat Shalom. And today I'm going to bring you a quick report, actually from very, very high up, because I want to speak about what happened yesterday. We're recording on a Friday now, and last night, the enemies of Israel, the proxies of Iran, the Houthis from Yemen, launched a drone all the way about 1,500 kilometers, all the way from Yemen, over to the Mediterranean Sea, and eventually it landed in Tel Aviv and exploded in a building right opposite the American embassy, actually the American consulate, which used to be the embassy in Tel Aviv, killing one person and injuring 8 people. This is literally another level of attacks against Israel. We remember that a few months ago, the Iranians, together with the Houthis and their proxies, simultaneously were launching over 360 rockets, missiles, drones into Israel, and an international coalition led by the United States and America and Israel. We were able to intercept all of these, but this time we listened to the news and we heard that the American Central Command were saying that they were able to take down 3 drones and 1 ballistic missile, but they missed the one that hit right opposite the American consulate in Tel Aviv. This is something that didn't happen before for a missile, for a drone, an explosive drone that was holding many kilograms of explosives, to be able to penetrate the Israeli aerial defense and land in Tel Aviv. And this cannot go under the radar as far as Israel is concerned. And I'm expecting a serious retaliation now against Iran and against the Houthis. We really need to pray about Israel to be strong and resilient, because you have to understand that the Hezbollah from the north are watching exactly what's happening. They didn't want to enlarge the perimeter of their retaliation against Israel when we are targeting their people in northern Israel because of their shooting into the cities, towns, and kibbutzim in northern Israel. They kept everything in a certain radius, but now that they have seen that even the Houthis in Yemen were able to hit Tel Aviv, I think this is a new level in the war, and Israel has to be very careful. Should we not retaliate and fight against these people, the rest of the enemies of Israel will find a carte blanche, an open gate for them to start attacking Israel, even in the most massive, crowded centers of population, and we cannot allow ourselves to do that. So as you are, people of faith, believers from around the world watching us right now, please unite together with us in prayer for Israel to be strong and resilient, for wisdom to our leaders, as Benjamin Netanyahu, our Prime Minister, is about to leave next week to Washington, D.C., and on the 24th is going to speak in both houses of the Congress in D.C. Please give him strength, power, and wisdom to go there strong, after he has been showing the enemies of Israel the ability of Israel to fight back and wage war. I love you. Shabbat Shalom. Bye for now.